Did you ask what's ChatGPT and how does it work? Well, with technology advancing rapidly, it's no surprise to stumble upon something so unfamiliar with unfamiliar concepts that may be confusing or overwhelming to so many people. One of these terms that I'm talking about is ChatGPT. It's a cutting edge technology that was developed by an organization called OpenAI that has taken the world by storm. In this video, we will discuss what ChatGPT is, how it works, and the potential applications that it offers. Let's start with the basics. ChatGPT stands for Generative Pretrained Transformer. It's a type of deep learning model that's specifically designed to process and generate text-based conversation. The model is trained on a massive amount of data from various credible sources, including books, articles, websites, and more, to learn language patterns and generate responses that are almost indistinguishable from human responses. ChatGPT is based on deep learning, a subfield machine learning that's inspired by structure and function of the human brain. It involves building and training neural networks, computing systems that learn and improve from experience. The more data the model is trained on, the better it becomes at recognizing patterns and making predictions. Okay, this is huge. We're talking about a computer system that can basically input any text you put in and give you back relevant information. ChatGPT is an example of a language model, a type of deep learning model that understands and generates natural language. The model is trained on a large corpus of text data, which enables it to learn an underlying structure of language and generate contextually relevant responses. Like I just said, it can, whatever you typed in, it's not just gonna blur back anything. It's gonna go on and on about whatever subject matter it is and actually answer some stuff for you. Real deep matter here. Now, how exactly does ChatGPT work? The model processes input text and generates a response that's contextually relevant to the input. The model is based on the idea of pre-training and fine-tuning. Pre-training involves training the model on a vast corpus of text data, enabling it to learn the underlying structure of language. Fine-tuning, on the other hand, involves training the model on specific tasks, such as answering questions or generating text. When a user inputs a text message, ChatGPT processes the text and generates a response based on the patterns it has learned from the pre-training and fine-tuning phases. The model generates responses that are contextually relevant and often indistinguishable from those of a human. I mean, really, with the interactions that I have with ChatGPT, it's almost like I'm talking to a person, because sometimes I start asking questions like I'm talking to an actual human, and it gives me the type of responses, especially when you set ChatGPT up the correct way. It'll give you the responses based on the type of brain that you installed on your ChatGPT for the best performance. ChatGPT uses and applications. Now, ChatGPT offers vast and a very potential applications. In the customer service industry, ChatGPT automates customer support. It provides real-time market insights, and it generates personalized investment recommendations, which is huge. You got a AI that can give you recommendations based on the data. That's huge. In the content creation industry, it generates high quality articles, blog posts, social media posts, and more. The virtual assistants powered by ChatGPT can handle various tasks such as scheduling appointments, setting reminders, sending emails, and making reservations. Listen, let me be frank and honest. This whole video was created by ChatGPT. Well, I have a model built in called DigiAssetpreneur, which basically is my professional marketing consultant, which makes all of my content for me. And if you guys want to know more about that, you'll just go to the links that are in the description. For the banking industry, as far as in the financial industry, ChatGPT is used for risk assessment and fraud detection. We're talking about by analyzing vast amounts of data and identifying patterns, ChatGPT helps financial institutions detect potential fraud and assess risks associated with financial transactions. This helps mitigate risk, protect customers' data, and safeguard financial systems. So again, I hope everyone's listening. We're talking about using ChatGPT to help to detect fraud. Now, if it's as thorough with detecting fraud as it is with helping to create blogs and content and answer questions that are just way beyond my imagination, then I would caution those that are doing the wrong thing to maybe do the right thing, because ChatGPT can help you actually create real digital products and help you elevate and take your business to the next level. All right, you guys, thanks for joining me today. This video was brought to you by me, Trellis J. Moss, the cash flowologist. I'm the founder and creator of Top Ad 101 Marketing. I've authored over 50 plus articles to date on creating cash flow for entrepreneurial activities as an active network marketer, direct sales professional, and digital content creator. Oh, P.S. by the way, sign up for the free Groove account now and join our Facebook group for exclusive access to expert advice, insider tips, and valuable resources that will help you grow your business. Don't miss out on this opportunity to take the business to the next level. Sign up today and start building your success. For a free Groove account, click the link below in the description. Also, don't forget to like, share, and comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video.